Are you ready to do your letter sounds? Okay. So, what does C say? What does D say? What does E say? E. What does E say? Like elephant. What does E say? Good try. What does F say? Good. What does G say? Yep. What does H say? What does I say? Good. What does J say? It says J. What does K say? What does L say? L. What does M say? Good. What does N say? That's right. What does O say? Good. What does... Hey, Naki, lay down. Look. Let's do some more letters. What does P say? Can you show me? Stand up and say, what does P say? You done? You just did the whole thing before I hit record. What does P say? What does... Hey, Naki, this is the best one. What does Q say?
I see.
Oh, you want to see? Well, there's not much to see. Okay, go around the other side. Go sit over there, and we'll finish the video. Go sit over there, and we'll finish the video. So where were we? Okay, lay down. Okay, what does Q say? Wow. What does R... Let me see your face. What does R say? What does S say? What does T say? What does U say? What does V say? Good. What does W say? Good. U, V, W. What does X say? What does X say? X? That's a tough one to understand. Okay, one more. What does Z say? Well, okay, hold on. You gotta tell me first. What does Z say? Okay, Passy, yeah. What does B say? No, listen. What does B say? Bzz. That's what a B says. Okay, what does C say? What does A say? A. What does A say? Good. And what does Z say? No, Z. What does Z say? Z. Oh, you know it. Say bye-bye. Look at the camera, say bye-bye.